Well, hey guys, I don't know if you can tell from the background where I am again, but anyways, this is just going to be a quite a bit shorter video than the last three, because this is just going to be a get her done and show you the results. Still a few black flies. So anybody that has watched the other ones know what's going on. It's a video up into a driveway build to the hunt camp, the new hunt camp. And back up here again after, I don't know, a month or so to spread the gravel. Now they've spread it with the truck, left me some piles. Not sure if they left enough when they spread it, but we'll make the best that we can out of it. And then show you when you're all done. So if you haven't seen them and don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch 1, 2, and 3. At least skip through them. Anyways, we're gonna get at her. Okay guys, told you this part would be short because I didn't video very much of anything I was doing, and then it rained real hard yesterday for a bit. I just worked through it and wouldn't have made a good video anyways, but there was no need to video much more. It was just leveling gravel. So I'll give you a little show. I just finished up here in this parking area. So this is where we're going to park the trailer for the hunt. So it should work out okay. It's half decent, and it's got a bit of time to pack. I trumped it with the machine, but Mother Nature packs better. And then there's the road going down, and I'll drive out. I will video some of it on the way out, so you see how it turned out. All in all, it's not bad. It sure made a lot nicer entrance than what we had when we started. So okay, let's go and tour the way out. Widen this corner out nice and wide. Look at that, lots of room to come around. Well, that's it. This job we'll call done. For now, anyways. Sure, he wants more stuff later. But anyways, that's our driveway job into the hunt camp completed in 4 parts. So, if you got anything from it, interested at all, give us a like, subscribe, or just watch them. Anyways, till the next one, that's all.